So here we are, May 14th, 2013, on the first tee of the Alexandria Golf Club. It's actually the second week of the Senior Men's League, but the first time we have the whole crew. And so Roger Riley and Dusty Johnson will lead us in the anthem, and they can go anytime.